Recent 1 kilometer. Pace is 16 minutes.
Hello ka-techies! Welcome back again sa aking Liz Tech channel. So, nandito naman ulit sa Liz for another video. And in this video, guys, is excited ulit ako. Yes, lagi ako na-excite. Kasi nga naman, first time ito sa aking channel na mag-unbox ako ng isang Huawei Smartwatch. And yes, guys, ang i-unbox natin itong kanilang latest smartwatch, which is itong kanilang Huawei Watch GT3 PRO. So, what's exciting ba about this? According to them, it will makes you feel premium and looks premium, and it brings feature to your wrist kasi nga with its high-tech materials, its revolutionary health management, and ultimate performance tracking. Kaya excited na akong buksan at itesto para ma-confirm natin kung maganda nga itong mga smartwatches na ito. Kaya naman ka-techies, huwag natin patagalin pa, magsimula na tayo. Yung box ng Huawei Watch GT3 PRO natin, and dalawa sila, guys. May 46mm at 43mm. So, itong 43mm is for girl design. Ito naman is for boys or for men. So, ayan, sabay natin tong buksan, guys. And as you can see there, sa boxes nila, same lang din ng laman. Meron tayong watch, of course. Wireless charging cradle, user guide and safety information. Pero itong white, guys, is meron siyang free na ceramic strap with a screwdriver. At ayan, guys, nakita nyo na ang dalawang GT3 PRO designs. Ang ganda-ganda nila pareho, guys. And special nga siya, no, kasi meron na siyang ECG tracking. Makita nyo nga dyan yung ECG button niya. Tatapat nyo lang yung index finger nyo at mababasa na niya yung ECG nyo, guys. Ito nagustuhan ko rin sa kanila, guys, is yung kanilang 3D rotating crown. So, here makikita nyo dito kay 46mm na GT3 PRO is leather yung kanyang strap. Actually, hindi lang naman leather. Marami naman silang ibang available na straps. Meron naman silang black and meron silang titanium din. At eto nga yung kanilang gray leather. Makita nyo minimalist and one color lang talaga siya, no? And titanium po yung material niya. So, it has futurist design with diversity style. Kung makita nyo nga, perfect na perfect to sa men, guys. Because of its aesthetically good design and it care about your health then with advanced technology. At ang size naman itong GT3 PRO Titanium Edition is 1.43 inches AMOLED color display na rin siya. Mas malaki yung kanyang screen, so mas better din yung viewing experience. Although, okay lang din naman to isa. Pero kung prefer nyo yung mas malaking screen, maganda itong si 46mm, guys. And makita nyo dyan kung gaano din kaganda itong kanyang build, no, yung materials niya. It is very stable and lightweight siya, guys. It has high strength, high temperature resistant, and it is not easily corroded. Kung makita nyo, very strong and reliable siya over time kasi obviously sa kanyang material. And very stylish siya, guys. In fairness, may mga ibang strap siya na pang business, pang sports. Ito nga palang leather ng GT3 PRO 46mm is made of European high quality calf skin. Kaya ganito po siya katibay at kaganda tingnan. So anyway, ito naman si GT3 PRO 43mm. Ang maganda din dito is very elegant and very stylish, no? Fashionable din siya for women. Ceramic strap ito at meron din silang leather strap. So, it depends on you kung ano yung pipiliin nyo. Ang ganda ng ceramic strap. Yung body niya, guys, is Nanocrystalline Ceramic na and sapphire glass din. That extremely tough, high on scratch and shatter resistance. And meron siyang gold na bezels. I like the gold bezels din. Sabi pa nga nila, no, it was taken from the corrugated piping of seashell. Ayan, very special. Sakto-sakto lang siya sa mga wrist natin mga female or mga babae kasi maliit lang yung mga wrist natin. So, perfect itong 43mm. Ayan, it has 1.32 inches AMOLED color display. Makapansin nyo, napakaganda ng kanyang display, napakatingkad. So, magiging maganda din yung viewing experience mo dito. So, what is special din ba about this 43mm na GT3 PRO, guys, is meron siyang Menstrual Cycle Mgt din. It is to keep track track of your female menstruation cycles, and estimate ovulation date. So, 'di ba, hindi niyo na kailangan maghanap pa ng mga app para doon kasi may menstrual cycle management na siya na sarili niya. So, anyway, nakita niyo na po yung designs nila. Let's go on naman sa kanilang features and performance. So, there makikita nyo nga na itong dalawa is meron na silang revolutionary health management such as ECG and heart health. So, it monitors your heart health 24/7. And when it comes sa kanilang battery, guys, ang maganda dito is long-lasting naman sila. Ito si GT3 Pro 43mm, naglalast siya up to 7 days. Ito naman si GT3 Pro 46mm is naglalast siya to 14 days. Mas longer itong battery life ni GT3 Pro 46mm compare kay 43mm. Pareho silang may ultimate performance tracking. In fairness, 100 plus workout modes ang kaya nila, guys. And makita nyo dyan, may GPS positioning din, outdoor model, supports free diving and golf range mode na rin. IPS 68, 5 ATM na rin, passing 200 rounds water pressure, and it supports 30 meters deep. So, sa mga nag-free diving dyan, kahit anong activities na gusto nyo gawin outdoor man or indoor is kayang-kayang sabayan nitong mga Huawei Watch GT3 Pro. Papakita ko sa inyo itong outdoor activity na ginawa namin, running and walking.
And 53 seconds. Recent 1 kilometer. Pace is 16 minutes and 9 seconds. Your current heart rate is 78.
And makita nyo dyan, guys, na natatrack nga niya, no? Yung heart rate, yung pace, yung ilan ng kilometer, yung distance, and of course, yung time. And guys, ang lakas ng kanyang speakers. Pwede ka kayo magpa-music din dito while nagtatakbo-takbo kayo or gumagawa kayo ng sports or activities na gusto niyo outdoor or indoor. And may speaker po siya, malakas, and may microphone din siya. So, pwede niyo pong sagutin yung mga calls via Bluetooth from your phone to your smartwatch. Hello?
Hello?
Hi!
Is this Lisa?
Yes! Speaking. First, you cannot miss any calls, guys, kasi it has Bluetooth calls. And of course, makita nyo lahat ng mga records nyo rin through the Huawei Health app. I-connect nyo yan sa inyong Huawei smartphones or even sa inyong iPhone kasi compatible naman siya kahit sa iOS. Ayan, sa Huawei smartphones, of course. And of course, sa GMS. And it supports all-day SpO2 monitoring. And maganda dito, guys, is may Huawei TrueScene 5.0 Plus na rin siya, which is improves the accuracy of heart rate monitoring. And isa pa sa maganda dito, guys, is may healthy living Shamrock din siya, guys, which has fully upgraded through personalized settings. Users can receive regular reminders sa inyong mga health challenges, daily water intake, medication reminders, daily mindfulness, early sleep reminder, exercise volume, and staying positive are all small things related to your health. Even yung skin temperature nyo, guys, mababasa po ng smartwatches na ito. And even yung stress level mo, guys, mababasa niya. So, yes, hindi nga lang talaga siya parang smartwatch lang talaga na nagsasabi ng oras. Pati din sa health mo, guys, natutulungan niya. And plus pa itong kanyang design, diba? At ang kanyang quality. Ayan, kasi nakita nyo na yung performance and look ng smartwatches na to, itong bagong GT3 Pro. And I can tell these smartwatches are aesthetically good and advanced when it comes to its features and performance. To be honest, this is a good investment, especially sa mga gusto na monitor yung health nyo. Napaka-useful niya, guys, because it care about our health and it serve more than its purpose. So this is something that everyone should look for in a smartwatch. Performance-wise, check. Incredibly good design and versatile, check. It actually suits whatever clothes you wear, guys. And comfy lang po siya and easy to use lang din. So, user-friendly lang din siya. Ang ganda rin ng kanyang display. And last but not the least, guys, it is very durable. Obvious naman sa materials na ginamit dito. Titanium, ceramic. So, high quality material talaga yung ginamit. Sa prices nila guys, ang GT3 Pro Titanium price is 16,999 and ito namang GT3 Pro Ceramic price is 24,999 pesos. At for me, napaka worth it na po nyo. Design pa lang at sa material na ginamit, sulit na po siya. So, plus points na lang po itong advanced niyang features and itong napakaganda niyang performance guys. So for me, I really like these smartwatch, especially this one. Ang ganda niya po. So sa mga gustong mag-purchase ng smartwatch na to, puntahan nyo lang yung aking description box. Ilalagay ko po dun yung mga links. And ayun lang, salamat po sa panonood. Don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again sa my next video, and bye!